Now, how can you utilize it? You can just go here. Suppose you want a trended move. All you have to do is click on this plus symbol and create a watch list. So this watch list feature is something which you have to practice as part of your Neo Trader trading, right? When you use Neo Trader for your trading, start making watch list, pull it up wherever you want, and that is the magic which you will be able to take advantage of. Okay, so now this is how you will create a WR7 NR7. I will pull it up in my watch list. Once I have pulled it up into my watch list, all right, and all I have to do is go into my rolling ticker, right? You can see here, rolling ticker. I go here, all right, and here I have got all the narrow, for example, I've added here. I just pull up. As the name starts flashing, my job is done. I know that yes, these are some moves which I'm tracking and I can participate, right? You can use CPR, you can use whichever, but then that is how, if you want directly from CPR, then this is the, if you want based on mode. So from your watch list, you can type here mode and you will get all the ones as per Camaria. From your watch list, if you type here level 1, then you will get all as per Fibonacci. So you can choose whichever approach you like and you can take your decision. Clear? Now let's move ahead. So now let's now move into the other section, which is the whipsaw. So what happens in a whipsaw, right? Whipsaw is a state in the price action where the price is not having much of clarity and there is some bit of confusion. All right. So if you want to find out if this is a page which is continuously refreshed, so you will see here that as an intraday trader, if you go right to the top, okay, if you go right to the top, you can see here that new signals appear every 5 minutes. All right. And that is the beauty. There is another concept which I'll be talking to you about that updates at the end of the day. So let me scroll up once again. And this is my whipsaw. These are the whipsaw situations. So let me just show you how you read into a whipsaw. So let me just click on this. And this is the whipsaw situation. So whipsaw situation, what is a whipsaw? Whipsaw means that prices are in a state of confusion. So you can see here prices are in a state of confusion. Okay, you can see here prices are in a state of confusion. So now to ensure that if a price is entering a whipsaw stage after moving, then you should not participate in that. So how will you know it? Unless and until it is pointed out. So that is what we are doing here. If you can see here, this is Bank of Baroda, and this is Bank of Baroda is whipsaw down, and this is Britannia. Okay, now it went up and then it is entering a whipsaw. Now if you check Britannia, okay, and this is Britannia, so you can see that it first came down, then it entered into a whipsaw, and now it is actually giving you a fresh opportunity. So market will keep changing, but then you have to understand that how a stock is moving, and when new trader is checking out, that is the state of that particular price action in that stock. So it will keep on alerting you.